I feel like Bobrisky is literally acting a script. Every day he wakes up to a script.
Okay.
I feel like at night he takes off all those things and he lies down in his bed and he's Idris once again and he goes, today don't end, tomorrow we go again. That's why I feel.
We move.
That's what I feel. So I think it's like his profession to come out and do all those things. That's what I feel.
Like that's what fetches him his money.
Yes, so it's like a profession for him. The way we wake up and go to work every day is the way he wakes up and puts on those makeup and everything, which I feel like sometimes they are too much.
The makeup is definitely too much.
Too much. Like, where's all those things? But like I said,
Okay,
it's like,
what do you think is too much? Is it your makeup?
no, it's not my makeup. I just I don't even know how to
Is
make
the
up.
makeup affecting you?
I don't even know how to make up in the first place. But I feel like it's, like I said, it's his profession and that's what he does. So that's what pays him, and he will keep doing it as long as it pays him.
Do you know, Bobrisky na my paddy.
Are you serious?
Na my paddy.
That's why I shouted.
Okay, so those things, are they real?
I don't know.
But you're not.
How will I know?
like this.
No, I don't know. I don't go full hand for that side. But I'll be honest with you, na my person. Yeah, like na my person. Very, 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 very. You know, na my person. You know, and
is it a he or a shim or a cross dresser? Which one?
I don't know.
But now your person.
But yes, but you see, for me,
how do you address him?
I address her as a she, and I'll tell you why. I love to make people happy. If you come out and you say my name is no longer John, it's now Yul, I'll call you Yul. You come out tomorrow and say your name is no longer Yul, it's now Halima. I'll call you Halima if that's what makes you happy. You understand? I don't have to try to tell you, you are not Halima. You are John. No.
But
what will I get?
Address him as she.
She. Believe me, because that's what she wants.
Yeah.
If she now comes out, if she comes out tomorrow and says, I'm no longer Bobrisky, I don't do again, I go address her. Anything that makes, now that one they make you happy, carry on.
But has he ever come out to say he's actually like
transgender?
Yes,
like
transgender. Because I know it's always like he's addressed as a cross dresser versus like a girl, but not really necessarily.
He hasn't changed his genitals.
I don't know if he has. I've not heard about that, but
I think that there was a time that she said she did.
We have cut. There was a cut.
There was a time she said she did BBL.
Yeah.
You know, and then I think she was away for some time. You know, I was one of those people who even wished a quick recovery. Because I want to see her do her thing. But I love seeing people happy. That's me. Just do your thing.
So beautiful.
But if he or she,
let's address
Shim. If Shim did BBL, does that mean she did Shim did BBL and also still has kidney? Do you get? I don't know.
What is skinny?
the male, what makes you a man? What makes you? Does it mean that because I'm just picturing that.
Okay, you're asking whether it's still there.
I'm picturing that in my head and it looks very crazy. Yeah, he can actually have big butts and then.
I don't know.
The picture in my head is not
It's not nice.
No, not my person though. So.
And so we're allowed to drag your person. We know the only two people that we cannot. drag.
No. You can
drag if they.
No, I'm not going there.
I'm sure I'm not going to drag.
No.
I believe in loyalty. Bobrisky na my party. I would do like say I know here.
Let me ask her.
Okay.
I really want to know.
Okay, what do you want to ask her?
I want to know if the bot is real or it's fake.
Okay.
And then if the manhood is still there.
Okay. No. Just stay tuned to our page. I love this country.
She wears some body suits that makes you wonder where they put it, but then it's a picture. It could be edited out or something. That's I think,
feels like
maybe you should wear a bodysuit and make a proper video and face front.
Yes, let's see.
Because
it's always the back. It keeps showing the bum. The back. And I feel like all these things can actually be staged too. Even him going to, Shim going to do the whole surgery, it could still be a staged
It's
stuff.
all packaged,
It could still be staged.
Could all be a
Of
stunt
course.
still.
It's possible.
That's what I feel, because from the pictures, they look fake. They look like something you wear. And something that you can take off.
Okay.
That's
And
what
those ones that you wear, they can shake.
And
they
he's
feel
only-
like normal bomb. Even the boobs,
Yeah.
everything, they feel like.
And he's only fine when he's filtered.